boys, he's a-coming back to town on the train at high noon. And he's out to get the sheriff.
The sheriff? That's me.
Caramba! Está viniendo! Scram, kid! I am glad you are not the sheriff. Then the bad hombre would kill you.
Are you ready, Biz? Okay, Booze. Let's go, Buzz. Wait a minute. I'll handle this myself.
Es mi hombre magnifico. You are my little sheriff. You will get the bad hombre, no?
Yes.
Now, boys, I want a nice, clean fight. Protect yourselves at all times. Keep your shots up. Remember, a low shot may cost you the fight. Go back to your corner and come on out shooting.
A winner. Here's your prize.
A baby doll. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Why, I'll get... Ha, ha!
What will you have, partner? How about this one, partner?
Good booze.
Extra, read all about it. Paper. Paper, mister.
Tan valiente. You catch the bad man.